much, Dr. Tedros. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone who's listening and watching. I would like to thank the World Health Organization and the United Nations, as well as Global Citizen. Thank you very much, Dr. Tedros and Hugh Evans, for all of your leadership in this fight against COVID-19. And thank you very much to the World Health Organization for asking me to collaborate with you on this special. We are also very grateful to all of the healthcare professionals across the country and around the world who are on the front lines during COVID-19. This global pandemic is a catastrophe. I'm so thankful to them, and I'm also praying for those who are sick. It's been a pleasure to partner with Global Citizen, and we have been working all together behind the scenes to raise money for the World Health Organization. I would also like to send my prayers as well to people that are losing their jobs and are having a hard time feeding themselves and their children. We are raising money for the World Health Organization's COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund. And 7 days ago, we held a call with more than 68 corporate leaders from some of the world's biggest and most generous companies. And I asked them to join my corporate kindness list, as there have been many corporations and philanthropists that have been very, very generous during this time. Since then, we have also been calling on philanthropists around the world as well, and tech companies included. Again, I'd like to reiterate our deep gratitude to the medical community. My heart is very, very achy and warm for those who are ER doctors as well as nurses who are sleeping in cars to make sure that they don't infect their families or their patients. What you are doing is putting yourselves in harm's way to help the world, and we all salute you, and you are a triumph, truly. I am proud to say that over the past 7 days, we've raised a total of $35 million for the Solidarity Fund. This money will include essential PPE, supplies and testing kits around the world, and will help improve lab capacity to rapidly process tests. It will also coordinate research development. It is so important to think globally and to support the World Health Organization to curb the pandemic and prevent future outbreaks. I know Dr. Tedros is particularly concerned about Africa, and so are all. We also need to act locally by supporting local charities and initiatives so that the frontline healthcare workers and those in immediate need have the resources they need to survive during this time. It has been an honor to help with this huge broadcast event, which will take place on April 18th, where we need to tell the stories of and celebrate the frontline community, healthcare workers, and their acts of kindness. We will be on different networks, many networks actually, and I wanted to talk a little bit broadly about what we're going to be doing. What's very important is two things happen for all of us, that we celebrate and we highlight the singular, kind global community that is arising right now. Two, we want to highlight the gravity of this historical, unprecedented cultural movement. And three, we want to celebrate and encourage the power of the human spirit. I would like to, on behalf of the World Health Organization and Global Citizen, thank Dr. Tedros as well as everyone that has donated so far. We are going to continue fundraising, but I would like to also let you know that this broadcast special is not actually a fundraiser. We all wanted to raise the money before we went on air. So when we do air live on April 18th, put your wallets away, put your credit cards away, anything away that you need to, and sit back and enjoy the show that you all very much deserve.